Hello and welcome to Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. This is your one-stop for all information on homeschooling and all its tricks that I am ready to reveal to you. So subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video or trick. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning about why it is important and the benefit of teaching your children mathematics. Mathematics is a fundamental subject that plays a critical role in children's overall development and future success. Early childhood is a critical period for developing mathematical skills, as the brain is best equipped to absorb and retain new information during this time. This is why it is important to teach children math early in life. There are several reasons why teaching children math early is important. Firstly, mathematics helps to build a foundation for future learning. Children who are exposed to mathematical concepts at an early age are more likely to develop a strong foundation in the subject, which will serve as a basis for later academic success in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and finance. For example, students who are proficient in mathematics are better equipped to understand the principles for physics and chemistry. Another important reason to teach children math early is that it helps them to develop problem-solving skills and critical thinking. Mathematics is not just about memorizing facts and formulas, but is also about developing the ability to analyze and solve complex problems. By teaching children how to break down problems and apply mathematical concepts to find solutions, they will be better equipped to tackle real-world problems as they grow older. In addition to developing problem-solving skills, teaching children math early also has a positive impact on their cognitive development. Students have shown that early exposure to mathematics can improve children's memory, attention, and overall cognitive development. By challenging their brains and promoting the growth of new neural connections, children who learn math at an early age are better equipped to critical thinking and progress information effectively. Teaching children math early also boosts their confidence and self-esteem. When children succeed in math, they build confidence in their abilities, which can carry on in other areas in their lives. This confidence and self-esteem can help them create a positive learning environment where children are most likely to engage in academic activities, pursue their interests. Finally, it is important to teach children math early because it is a fundamental life skill that is used in everyday tasks, from shopping and cooking and managing finances. Mathematics plays a critical role in many aspects of daily life. By teaching children math early, we equip them with the skills they need to navigate the world around them, which is essential for their future success. In conclusion, teaching children math early is critical for their overall development and future success. From building a foundation for future learning and improved cognitive development and boosting confidence, early exposure to mathematics has numerous benefits that cannot be ignored. Therefore, it is important that parents, teachers, and educational institutions to prioritize the teaching of mathematics at an early age. So here are 15 benefits of teaching your children mathematics at a young age. Number 1, develops problem-solving skills. Number 2, enhances cognitive development. Number 3, improves memory and attention. Number 4, increases logical thinking abilities. Number 5, helps develop a strong foundation for their future learning. Number 6, encourages curiosity and creativity. Number 7, enhances number recognition and counting skills. Number 8, improves spatial reasoning and spatial awareness. Number 9, increases the ability to recognize patterns and their relationships. Number 10, develops fine motor skills. Number 11, enhances understanding of cause and effect. Number 12, helps children to understand the concepts of time. Number 13, enhances the ability to understand and use language. Number 14, improves their ability to make connections between different concepts. Number 15, helps children to develop a positive attitude towards math. And here are 10 ways to teach your child early learning in maths. Number 1, counting objects. Counting objects with your child, such as toys or food, can help them learn to recognize numbers and associate them with specific qualities. Number 2, number recognition. Use flash or educational toys with numbers on them to help your child learn to recognize numbers. Number 3, shape recognition. Introduce your child to shapes such as circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles, and have them identify them in everyday objects. Number 4, sorting and classifying. Help your child to learn the basics math concepts by sorting and classifying objects by size, shapes, or color. Number 5, measuring and comparing. Use household items such as a measuring cup and spoon to help your child learn about measurements and comparing. Number 6, patterns. Help your child to learn about patterns by pointing out patterns in the environment, such as repeating colors of a rainbow or a tile on the floor. Number 7, number rhymes and songs. Teach your child number rhymes and songs to help them learn recognize counting. Number 8, cooking and baking. Use cooking and baking as an opportunity to teach your child about measurements and the basic math concepts. Number 9, puzzles and mazes. Use puzzles and mazes to help your child develop their problem-solving skills and spatial awareness skills. Number 10, play with blocks. Building with blocks can help your child learn about size, shape, and spatial relationships, while also developing fine motor skills. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that it was very informative. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell for more videos to help you become a better home educator. This is Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.